Welcome to this demo of Agentic AI with SAP CoPilot. In this scenario, CoPilot simplifies inventory reporting by generating an item stock report. The user begins by requesting item stock report quantities by item code. CoPilot instantly responds with item code data in a chart, clearly showing the total stock quantity for each item. Next, the user asks for a stock report of purchased items. CoPilot shows a table with item codes, descriptions, stock available, and committed quantities. The user asks for a stock report by item group. CoPilot displays a table listing item codes, descriptions, available stock, and committed quantities. The user requests report by warehouse name. CoPilot shows the item code, description, warehouse name, and quantity. The user requests warehouse-wise stock distribution for a specific item. CoPilot presents a breakdown across different warehouses, including standard, consignment, and bin warehouses. The user then asks for a stock report of specific item code. Within seconds, CoPilot provides a clear overview of stock levels. Finally, the user requests item code, warehouse code, and in-stock details. CoPilot delivers item code, warehouse code, and in-stock quantity. Agentic AI makes SAP Business One faster, smarter, and more intuitive. Thank you for watching this demonstration of SAP CoPilot for item stock reporting.